Hi guys, welcome back to the Titos of the World channel. My name is PP, and and right now with me is Jericho and Nolan,
Sorry.
and we are going to react to the performance of Astro, Waterfall from Inkigayo. I think this is like a variety show where they show off their new single and whatnot. So without further ado, on three, two, one, go.
Oh, hi, cutie.
Jericho.
I know.
Wait, is
Oh.
all three Pisces standing next to each other?
That part. That's
Ooh,
yours.
Ooh. Hey, cutie.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I guess that's why it's the main vocal. Okay.
Hey, Jinjin. Sanha.
Wow.
Oh, it's 6
Oh,
Pisces.
Yunbo is tall.
He's tall.
He's short.
Oh, Nolan.
I'm listening. I'm here.
Look at the Chanel necklace.
It's people noticing the Chanel necklace for me.
Mm.
Oh.
Moonbeam. Oh, Jericho.
Mm-hmm.
Well, hello, vocals.
Hello. He looks like a prince.
It really does, though.
Mm.
He's the tallest one, huh?
Okay. Astro, I need to add it to my playlist.
They have good songs.
Okay.
Oh, hello. MJ. You're biased, Nolan.
Pop off.
And Jericho's
Who's
working
that?
hard.
I know. Who? Question. He's a belter, huh? The one with the red hair.
Right, yeah,
He's the main
vocalist,
vocal.
yeah.
He's the
Yeah.
star of this group.
Right. This guy though, he's the smallest, but like his voice.
I did not expect this change up.
He has the swag as well.
Y'all playing with Rocky's microphone. Oh, that's so good. It's a dramatics for me.
I know. He's just standing there, but like his presence is being felt. Look at him, Prince.
I love his
Okay,
necklace.
come through, confetti.
Not Nolan's bias
You
killing.
better end the song. You better end the song.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait, what? That's Jinjin. Are we shipping Jinjin and Moonbeam?
Oh, that's a question. Are they 6 or are they 7?
Huh?
Are they 6 or are they 7?
Moonbeam are Rocky, MJ. Wait, 1 second. How many are there? 2, 4, 6. 6. So
They felt
yours.
like way more during the other video. That's why I was like, how many are there?
Oh, because like they're like all over.
Yeah,
the
they felt like
place.
so
It's
many.
like-
I was like,
Right.
6? But yeah.
But yeah, so Waterfall is also like one of my favorites now. I like the
It's a
song.
very good song.
Right.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
But we already know who the belter is.
So if Macoycoy
MJ.
was here, it would have been.
Macoycoy.
Shout out to
Macoy.
Macoycoy and his love for vocalists.
Hi, Macoycoy.
Y'all know that man loves a vocalist.
Right. Yeah. I'm glad you guys like Astro now.
Yeah.
I do. I actually do. I'll promote things. I'll watch interviews of them even. That's how hard.
They also have blogs. Just one thing.
You can react to that, yes.
We can. And they also have like other.
I said you can react to that.
Why me? They also have like other songs as well, so we can react to them next time.
Oh my god.
Do you guys like my big ass glass?
Oh, look at you!
And that's my name on it.
Oh, it does.
Oh, right. Where did you get it?
It was a gift from Gareth, actually.
Ah, okay.
He gave it to me one Christmas, like years ago.
I'm Nolan Grant.
That part.
That.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, or who's your biases
Not the
again?
not the concern.
Please let us know in the comments below.
I'm concerned about DP. I'll be the first in the comment section.
I'm concerned about the outro.
Oh god, yeah, too. See, I told you I'm not good at outros.
I'm concerned about the intro. But we're not concerned about the Astro.
Oh no, not at all.
We love them. Anyways, don't forget to follow us on our social medias, linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like our video and hit the notification bar so you'll know when we post some content. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Bye.
Bye.